If you're someone who's always wanted to draw but you thought that you couldn't draw, then this video is for you, because in this video I share exactly how I overcame that artist block and I was able to just start creating and really become really good at it and really enjoy the process of drawing and expressing myself. And even if you think that you can't draw, there's so many reasons why you should just start drawing and just enjoy that process, because being creative is so important for our minds. So here are a few reasons why you might want to start drawing even if you think that you can't draw. The first reason why you should just start drawing even if you think you can't draw is because it really helps to reduce screen time. I created a video a while back about all the different ways that I reduce that screen time and how I connect back, and just giving your brain that break from constantly looking at a screen is such a fantastic idea. It gives your brain that reset. A lot of the time our attention spans are being stretched, our brain can't keep up. So when we draw, we're able to reset our mind and we're able to really get into that meditative state without feeling bored, because a lot of times it's really hard to just put down your phone, put down your laptop and just leave it alone. And a great way to do this is just drawing. You're just doing that at the same time you're doing something and you don't feel bored whilst you're doing it. And even just sketching for just 10 minutes a day can feel like a mini mind reset. So you don't even need to set aside lots of time every single day. All you need is just a tiny little 10-minute slot in your whole entire day. And that can be the difference between letting yourself feel calm, relaxed, and feeling stressed if you're just constantly looking at the screen, constantly scrolling. And you don't need any fancy art supplies or anything like that. You can get something from a really cheap shop, or you could just use the pencil or the ballpoint pen that you already have right now. The next reason why you should start drawing even if you think you can't draw is because it really helps you with getting back to your internal creativity. Here's what I mean. When we're kids, we draw, we just have fun. We don't even care about what it looks like. We don't overthink it. But when you turn into an adult, that's when you start to overthink things. Everyone is creative. It's not something that you're born with or you're not born with. Creativity is a skill. So the more that you practice it, the better you'll get at it. So if you enjoy drawing, just do it. And that's when you'll become even more creative and build that skill even more over time. The goal isn't to become a famous artist. The goal is just to tap into your internal creativity. The next reason why you should just draw even if you can't draw, or even if you think you can't draw, it just helps you with your stress and burnout. Like I said before, it's really meditative when you're just drawing circles and squares, and it doesn't need to be of anything. You can actually just do a meditative drawing or just sketching on your page and just see how it goes. You can do fashion illustrations and see what comes out. I just love drawing messy, I love layering, and that's actually how I've built my illustration style. And at the same time, that's really helped me to release and feel really good at what I'm doing and feel really creative in that moment and release my stress. And at this point of the video, you might be thinking, well, what should I even draw if I don't even know what to draw? And that's why I created my 7-day creative reset guide. It's a free guide that really just walks you through some prompts to help you with resetting your creativity. And I've linked it down in the description so that you can get your free copy today. The next reason why you should just draw even if you think you're not even good at it is because you don't have to be good at drawing to enjoy it. One of the biggest things that stops people from drawing is because they think that they're just not good. But who said that you even need to be good to draw? You don't need to be good to dance. You need to be good to enjoy cooking. You don't need to be good to enjoy knitting. You don't need to be good to enjoy anything. You can enjoy whatever you feel like. Drawing doesn't need to be shown to anyone else. It doesn't need to be for Instagram. It doesn't need to be on for show. You can just draw just for yourself. And it doesn't really matter whether or not it's good or not. It's just that you've enjoyed doing the process. And the next reason why I think that you should draw even if you think that you're not good at it is because drawing can be your daily ritual. It can be like journaling every single day. Some people have a journaling practice, and you can have a drawing practice daily. A quiet moment at the end of the day, or even a calming routine. A lot of the times you might see me painting at night because that's when I do my drawing practice. That's when I feel most creative, is at nighttime, because it's part of my calming daily routine. So I hope that's inspired you. And if you're someone who wants to learn how to create art in an even more calming way, then I highly recommend checking out my how to draw flowers in watercolor video next, because that's a really great step-by-step beginner video, just walking you through how you can just paint your own watercolor flowers. It's really beginner friendly and it's a perfect place to start. If you've enjoyed this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.